friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are going to be unboxing this month's glam bag and Ipsy. This September we are entering our soft girl era. Huge fan of this already. I'm so excited to jump right in and see what we have inside. But first, if you have not yet already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more Ipsy videos and more of my life. This was gifted by Ipsy, so huge shout out to them. They're always supplying me every month. It feels like Christmas, and I'm so grateful to be able to offer you guys these unboxings. They're so fun to film. It feels like opening a Christmas gift once every month, and I'm just so grateful. I do have a link in my description to make it easy to go ahead and grab yours today. So without further ado, we're just gonna dive right into the Ipsy glam bag for this month. I just always smile because the packaging is so pretty every time. And we have the cutest little bag. I love it. The designs are so cute. What do you guys think? They're so pretty. Even the back has a cute little design as well. We have the zipper here. It's like a cute little charm. Definitely giving that soft girl era vibe, I think. What do you guys think? Also, for those who don't really quite understand what Ipsy is or may not have much of an idea on Ipsy, it's basically a monthly subscription where you get to choose one item out of the 5, and you'll always get like travel sized in your Ipsy glam bag, which is so perfect because sometimes you just don't want to buy the full-size product and end up hating it and then have to do the whole returning process. So this just makes it really easy to try new products every month and see what maybe works for you, what maybe doesn't, and save you a little money along the way. So I'm really excited to see what we have inside. This was actually out of the bag because it's a little too big to fit in there unless they just didn't want to squeeze it in there. So I'm going to show you guys this first. It's a beautiful little blending brush. The bristles are very soft and it has some designs on it. I see a palm tree, some kind of birds it looks like. Really cute. I feel like I'm working backwards today. It's been such a long weekend for me, and I literally woke up, saw that I had a package that came in yesterday. It was too late to do my unboxing, so I woke up this morning, quickly got ready, threw my hair up in a bun, looking a little crazy today, but I have to get this done for you guys. So I'm working a little backwards. Here's our little pamphlet before I continue doing the unboxing. So it's really neat because they show what's currently trending inside. We have this Pixie Beauty eyeliner that's trending right now, as well as this mauve eyeshadow. It's a very beautiful palette. So just a couple tips in here. And they're also doing a little giveaway on Instagram right here. So there's the details if you want to pause the video and check it out. Now that we've got through this little pamphlet, we're gonna dive into the rest of the bag. Next we have, ooh, what is this? Toy Factory Clique Stick. So this is an eyeshadow stick in the shade Fantasy. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I have not tried Toy Factory. This is gonna be really fun. I'm actually a huge fan of eyeshadow sticks. I feel like they blend so nice, as long as you have the right one. But I've tried the Bare Minerals sticks and I'm literally so in love with them. Like, I haven't found any that I like better. Interested to see how I like this one. So here's what it looks like. The shade looks really shimmery. I'm gonna see how this looks on my hand. It almost comes off as like pink. And it just broke. Okay, well, I think that's the end of that. There's nothing to like push it up. Yeah, the tip completely broke off and fell on the floor. I did not get the best swatch here because it broke off on me, but check it out. Let me know what you think. I might have just had a bad sample because the shade looks really pretty and it seems, actually, it doesn't seem very blendable. So I don't know, you guys. Have you tried this product before? Let me know what you guys think. Next up in here, we have this Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow. It's a jelly cream. I actually like this brand. I haven't tried too much of their stuff, but what I have tried, I do like. This is such a cute little mini. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand as well and see how it feels. It definitely is like a gel. It's not very scented. It kind of reminds me of when I put aloe on my skin. If you've ever tried that and know that feeling, that's what it kind of feels like. But now that it's absorbed, it feels really nice. I'm actually looking forward to trying this on my facial skin. Up next, we have, oh, this looks like a little eye product. Yes, we have Saturday Skin. This is their Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I'm just intrigued to try everything on my hand today. I just want to see if this has any scent. So I don't really smell anything actually. I'm very picky with my eye cream, so I'm really not sure, but we'll have to see if it does anything. I feel like there's so many eye creams out there that I've tried that I don't notice it does anything. I don't necessarily have eye issues. Like, I don't really have dark circles around my eyes. I know I used to, but it kind of naturally went away. Like, that was when I wasn't really treating my eyes. Occasionally I'll have some dark circles if I really am lacking sleep, but I've been doing really well on keeping up with my sleep. So up next we have our Pixi Beauty product here. Such a longtime fan of Pixi Beauty. So this is a eye define waterline. This is their eyeliner in the shade Black, Tight Line Black. I don't think this is necessary for swatching because it's just a little black eyeliner. And I've tried this one before. I actually own this one. I like it. I don't actually use eyeliners much anymore on my waterline, but when I do, I usually go to Pixi. And that is all in our glam bag. So now we're gonna dive into our Boxycharm. Let's see what we have inside. Ooh. As always, we have our beautiful ad. I'm in love with this picture. She looks so gorgeous and she's wearing my favorite thing to always wear. She's wearing the pearls, definitely giving that soft era. It's so beautiful. Her eyeshadow looks gorgeous. They really did a great job with this one. A little sneak peek on what's inside. And now we're gonna dive right in. I already see some goodies that I'm excited to try. So up first we have this Glass Skin Tang Hulu by Olivia Uma. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is a cleansing foam. I love a good cleansing foam. I haven't heard of this brand though, and I haven't seen them in any stores. Made in Korea. It has kind of like a clean scent, but let me know if you guys have tried this out and if I'm missing out because I'm looking forward to trying it. And we're gonna move on to our next item. This is Kat Berkey. I love her stuff. I've tried her vitamin C moisturizer, literally obsessed with it. This is her Reversal Rose Hip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. So we have another eye serum. I feel like that's something that I have the most of because I just go through them and I don't ever find one that I really, really like. So, Ms. Kat Berkey, I hope you are on a mission when making this product and I hope it's good. It smells a lot like her moisturizer that I used and I'm hoping, my fingers are crossed, I hope this is a good product. Our next product we have is this Dry Bar product. This is their Triple Sec 3-in-1 Finishing Spray. I've used this before and usually I request them to use this when I visit the Dry Bar, so I'm so happy they sent this one over. This is a good product. Next we have this cheek palette here. This is from Olimar. The packaging is really fun. It gives me more of like summer vibes though. So here are the shades. They're really pretty actually. I could definitely see myself using this a lot, so I'm excited to try it. Let me know if you guys want me to swatch it on my Instagram stories. And for our last product here, we have this Pinky Bee Beauty Primer. Had Me at Primer. It's supposed to be an illuminating primer, so I'm gonna test this on my hand really quickly. It almost looks shimmery. It almost looks like they added shimmer to it. It's very smooth and I'm putting it over the hand where I swatched the moisturizer, but it kind of feels a little sticky. So I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe it takes a minute to sit or maybe I added too much, but we'll see. I will definitely test it on my face skin. And that is all for this month's unboxing. Let me know what you all thought in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!